Oh, good day, sir. So today I'm going to present the program that I have created in OOP or Object Oriented Programming, hands-on Lab 5. So for the activity proper, uh, we are tasked to write a class investment with fields called principal and interest. The constructor should set the values of those fields. There should be a method called value after that returns the value of the investment after n years. The formula of this is P times 1 plus I raised to n, where P is the principal and I is the interest rate. It should also use the special method double underscore str double underscore so that the printing object will result in something like below. And for problem number 2, write a program that asks the users to enter a word and print out whether that word contains any vowels. So for my for my program here, I started first. If you want to create a class, we type class, then we want to name that class as investment. Then we use define and double underscore init, double underscore. We use init function. It is called when every object is created from a class. Then we use self and principal and interest rate. We always use self, then we want to put what we want in the class, which is principal and interest rate. So then here we use self that principal equals principal, self that interest rate is equals to interest rate. Then we want to get the value after, then we use define value after. Then we want self, then n equals float input the number of years. Want to input how many years. We will select. Then we return the value, which is self principal, which is this is the formula, which is self principal times 1 plus self interest raised to the number of years. The final result equals investment, float input principal amount, and float input and interest rate. Then we print the final result. Then it will show the final result. So to demonstrate that, I will run the code. We want the principal amount to be 1,000. Then we want the interest rate to be 5.12. Then the number of years, you want the number of years to be 2. Then it will show the final result of the value after. Or we can change that, like we run this code again. The principal amount will be 1,000. The interest rate will be still 5.12, but the number of years will be like 5 years to show that value of the money of there. So for the vowels part, we first use vowel, then we write a set which is A, E, I, O, U, which are the vowels in small letters, and A, E, I, O, U, which are also the vowels in capital letters. Then we X equals input, then we enter the word. If any, character in vowels for character in X. Print the word as vowels, and else print the word does not have any vowels. So to demonstrate that code, we want to enter the vowel like wow, the word as vowels. Then we want to enter the word like try. The word does not have any vowels. So like for example, we want to enter the word machine. We want to enter the word machine. It has any vowels, which is I, A, I, and E. So, and another one is we want to enter the word uh, dry. Want to enter the word dry here. The word does not have any vowels. So that is all for my programming video. So for my experiences in making this video, this is another experience for me since it helped me in terms of object-oriented programming, which is another thing that I have learned in this semester. And I do think that this is important in programming since in terms of the world today, we are more relying on data, and this can be used in interpreting data. And that is all. Thank you.